I'm working on a promo ad for the upcoming tour app and channel. My tour clients from New Zealand filmed 2 different drone shots for the intro. Let me know in the comments which one you like.
Somewhere beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me, my lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing.
Hi, my name is Walt. It's time to discover Saipan.
She's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'd go sailing.
Life is just for living. See that cat sitting on the mat, thinking about what is what and who is who. That cat is me. That cat is you. See that guy staring in the sky.
Hi, my name is Walt. It's time to discover Saipan.
The beat of the sun. He's having fun. That guy is me. That guy is you. Taking in today's vibrations. Tomorrow's coming down slow. Taking it free and easy. That's the only way to go.